Okay, welcome America, welcome India, welcome Taylor Swift. I am going to quickly go over for you the angle-triangle similarity theorem. I was about to do this in class and then I thought, you know what, I'm gonna record this so you guys can watch it later. You know, when you're having like a sleepover and you have nothing to do with your friends. What could we do? Oh my gosh, we could watch Helbing explain the angle, the looks I'm getting in class, the angle-triangle similarity theorem. It would be so lit, right? So I'm giving you something to do with your friends right now. Here we go. So what this says is, if we know that we have two triangles and we have two pairs of corresponding congruent angles, there's one pair, here's the second pair. These are called, does anyone remember what these are called? When you have two lines that intersect and they create congruent angles on your side, they're called, what kind of angles are these? It's back from unit 3, so. Anyone remember? Nobody remembers? Vertical angles. Vertical angles, sound familiar? Vertical angles are congruent. The last pair we know are actually congruent, so we don't need to go through this. Because what's the sum of all the interior angles in any triangle? We just went over this in the last couple slides ago, 180, right? 180 degrees. So we don't know the measures of these angles, but we know this missing one here, all three of those have to add up to 180, which makes this third angle the same as this one over here, okay? So if we are given if we can see two triangles and we have two sets of corresponding congruent angles, then we know that the two triangles are similar. We actually don't need the third one. We don't need to go through and find the third one. So we have, that's the first one, and we'll get to the next two next class. I went over this problem yesterday in class. If you want to watch me do this problem, you can watch the video that's right before this one. And the last thing I want to show you is, no, we'll do this one. All right, so if you look at the difference between these two examples here, these two triangles are similar by angle because we have two sets of corresponding congruent angles. Those are for sure similar by angle. These two, however, the information that we're given, these sides are proportional. We have two sets of sides that are proportional. E, if I multiply it by K, and it's just some number K, right? I'll get the length of this side, K times E. And if I multiply F by that same number, I get K times F. Well, I know no information about this third set of sides here, so we just don't have enough information to say that the sides are proportional, so we don't know that these angles are similar. So not necessarily similar. And that is all.